Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word eschews in depth. First, the definition. Eschews means to deliberately avoid or abstain from something. Think of it simply as choosing not to engage with something intentionally. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Eschews traces back to Middle English and Old French, originally meaning to avoid or shun. Over time, it's been used by English speakers to express deliberate avoidance. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So, how do you use eschews in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. She eschews sugar to maintain a healthy lifestyle. Correct example 2. He eschews gossip to keep his mind clear. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to eschews my homework, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using eschews correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Eschews means to deliberately avoid or abstain from something. It comes from Middle English and Old French origins, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with eschews down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.